Buying into a neighborhood that is already popular usually means paying a massive premium, but the real wealth is made by spotting the next big thing before everyone else. The first major sign of an upcoming boom is the arrival of major national retailers like Starbucks or Whole Foods. As these companies spend millions on research before choosing a location, you should look for the spillover effect, where prices in a neighboring expensive area have become so high that buyers are forced to move into the more affordable street next door. Keep a close eye on city council meetings for news about new public transportation lines, bike paths, or major park renovations that make an area more walkable. A sudden influx of fixer-upper homes being renovated by young professionals is a clear signal that the neighborhood's aesthetic and value are shifting upward. Check for a decrease in days on market for local listings. Faster sales mean the demand is starting to outweigh the available supply in that specific zip code. Proximity to new corporate headquarters or tech hubs is a guaranteed driver for housing demand, because employees always want to live near where they work. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our emerging market scorecard and see if the neighborhood you are eyeing is a gold mine or a money pit.